do the faucet repair rebuild. Make sure this is in frame. Yeah, not bad. Pretty good. All right. I'm working with old washers here, so I'm trying to be real careful not to snap or scratch them. Much better. Works almost like new. And I was about to trash this thing because of the leaky faucet, and it ended up just being that little part, or that little bit of, look like caulking or something, or just build up, I guess. Whatever it is, it was. It ain't there no more. And I can't imagine this thing's gonna leak. With the care and work I put into this thing, but you just never know. Huh, that just... something looks like it just did not line up right. Okay. Now this is starting to make a little more sense. Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta shut it all the way off and set the handle down. Yeah, that seems to work line up a lot better, huh? That feels a lot more normal. Remember, I'm on a timer too, because that sink is still just sitting there drip, 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 dripping underneath there. So whatever I do, I gotta do this quick. Fantastic. I think we can call that a job. There we go. Let's go put it in. Alright, to recap, I fixed the shower head and the faucet divider, or the shower head faucet divider valve handle. I fixed the shower curtain up like it's supposed to be, and I got the all the under the sink leaks fixed, the faucet refurbished, and running like pretty much brand new for a $10 faucet. All I got left is the toilet, and that might not be savable. I might have to replace it. So take a look-see. So when I first come in here, this is the way this thing was stuck on like that, no handle right there. Just I got a pair of pliers and figured out that it wasn't the valve itself, nothing wrong with it, just a handle. So found a little faucet handle, made it fit. shower head kind of half spraying over here and half shooting halfway across the room over there, especially with the shower curtain trouble. Took it apart, cleaned it out, had some clogs and stuff up in it, and now it works like it's supposed to. Same with the shower curtain, like I was saying, this thing wasn't hanging down low enough to catch the water, and this thing here was all just, and that was in the wrong place, unneeded. I fixed the toilet, but this is what's important. Look at this. Okay, oop, I just saw a drip. Where did that drip come from? Okay, that line's still not leaking. That line might be leaking right there. This is what I'm talking about when I say I'm meticulous. And this might just be some. But let's get up in here and look real good. That was where it was leaking before. That was a big problem spot. Why this whole catastrophe had started. That appears to be good. And again, as long as this thing here isn't filling up and leaking down here, which it appears to be. Do you see that drip on my finger? Oh, man. So. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to fix that. And just, before I replace it. Same thing with the faucet. Just take it apart and clean out the washer and everything. Make sure it's not gummed up. Put it back together and see what happens. I should probably replace it, because if I fail that, I'm going to have to leave the water off till I cap it off or get a new one. I'll talk see what we come up with.